Okay, if you want to add a high score feature to your Infinite Hover mod, what you're going to do, let me switch screens here, is create a second UI text object, and I called it high score right here. And so actually what I did is I just duplicated my timer, and then I changed the settings. You can see in my high score I changed the property of the text value, and then the value of the text property. And then I also changed the color so that it's white, just so it stands out a little bit like so. Then what you're going to do is on the class Google Slide presentation, you'll see under the mod scripts, I have added a new timer script. So this isn't going to be in addition to, this is going to be in place of. So you're going to update your timer script with the following. Now this is one file right here. I couldn't fit it vertically on this slide, so I split it into sort of two sections. But void update should be horizontally aligned with void start inside of the public class timer. If you want to take a look at Visual Studio, you'll see this is what it looks like in total. And so basically what it's doing is it's setting something it's setting the score to something called player prefs, which is essentially something that is a variable that can exist within sessions of the game. And so create this new timer script, attach it to your timer game object, and then assign this high score public text variable to high score right here. And then you'll see that when you press play, the high score is going to be whatever was previously the high score. So give it a second to spin here and think. It's really thinking hard here. Here we go, it's going. All right, so the high score is always going to be whatever the previous high score was, and you'll see that if the high score is higher, then it will become the new high score. And so if I play again, it's still set at 8. If I die right here, it's still 8 because I didn't beat it. But there's logic in the script that says if the timer or the score is, oops, I just died, so I have to wait 8 seconds and not die. If the new score is higher than the high score, then it replaces its value. So let me just stay here for another 3 more seconds. And now you can see that it is ascending. I have added one line of code in the update function that if you press X, it will reset your high score. But that would be something that you would want to remove in the code before you actually build it. This allows you to just test it, so you don't have to like wait to beat it every single time. All right, that's it.